This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome back everyone. So we have successfully just designed a Facebook post. So now we will go and design a Twitter post. So let's get straight into it. So let's start. First of all, you want to go to the top where it says create a design. And if you can't see Twitter post up here, click more and then wait for this page to load. And then once it has, scroll down until you see social media posts just like this and click on the first one which says Twitter post. Okay, so click that now and let this new page load. And this is where we will begin our design. Okay, so this is fantastic. On the left over here is where we have all of our layouts. As you can see, Canva layouts, fantastic. And if you scroll down, you can see there's just tons and tons and tons for you to choose from. You can keep scrolling until you find the one that you want to use, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing right now. We're just going to scroll down until we find the perfect one for us. Okay, so let's just see what we can find here. Of course, everyone is designing something different for what they need, of course. So some people might be doing a Twitter post for a bakery. Some people might be doing a Twitter post for an internet business, anything. It's completely random. Everyone is different. So of course, there's so many different layouts and there's definitely here something for everyone to choose. So make sure you find the one which is perfect for you and your business or your YouTube channel or whatever it is. So hopefully you understand what I'm saying. This is for a post which you'll post to Twitter. Okay, so it's nice and easy. And as soon as you find one which you like, click it and then start designing. We're just going to find one which we like right now. Hopefully we see a perfect one very soon. And then we'll use it to design our Twitter post. Okay, so that's fantastic. So let's just see what we can find first of all. Of course, it can take minutes. It can take seconds. It can take minutes finding your design. It will never take longer than that though. It won't take too long at all, so don't worry about that. So yeah, it's always good you do take your time to find the perfect one for you though. Because if you don't take too much time and you find a bad one and then you just have to redesign everything you've just done. So yeah, it's always worth just taking your time. And I found one, I found a few here actually. I like this one, and this one. So it's actually a bit difficult for me. I think I'm going to pick this one here. Okay, so first of all, we're going to change this text here to www.blackbricktraining.co.uk. Fantastic. So we have our website there. And then of course it says this is a paid one, but that's only the image in the back. As you can see, I can move that and the whole image moves, and that is of course the one with Canva text all over it. So that is the one watermarked. But yeah, if you go to download it or click remove watermark, it will make you pay the $1. So we don't want that image though, so don't worry. We will not be paying $1 for this. This is going to be a free design and there's nothing to worry about. Okay, so first of all, we're just going to type in MacBook. As there's always some nice pictures of MacBooks on here, which is very nice. There we go, there's a good one there. For some reason that image is a bit too dark, so we're probably not going to use that one. This one? Yeah, that looks quite nice. I'm going to keep going though, finding something different. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to change this text by clicking on it and going to the colour. And we're going to change it to white. There we go, so that actually is visible now. And the text underneath will change to, let's see, black. Is that visible? Yeah, I'd say it is. We might want to change that a bit later. Maybe a more of a grey black, not too black. Let's see. That looks alright, I think. And then we've got down here the website. Sorry, I'm going to copy and paste this down here instead because we actually put it in the wrong place. So don't worry about that though. And then we can put over here, we can go to @blackbricktraining. As most of our social media profiles are @blackbricktraining, so that's fantastic. Although our Twitter profile is @blackbricklearn, so we may just want to change that now, but let's leave that for now because we can always change that a bit later. So we can change this here to online courses, and then we can change this here to, let's see, this is the Twitter post. What do we want to actually have on our Twitter profile? Let's have a quick think about it before we write it down, because you want to make sure you are actually writing something that means something for, of course, your business. But before I do that, I'm just going to go to spacing and just make the line height a little bit less, as it just seems too much right now. There we go, that's a bit better. I think it was too much a minute ago really. So now I'm just going to make this text down here a bit bigger. Let's say 24. Ooh, maybe not 24, maybe 21. There we go, that fits in. And then this text here, I think that'll be alright. Maybe go up a tiny bit to 72. Yep, that looks good, fantastic. So we've got online courses and then blackbricktraining.co.uk. So we want to change this text here to something different. So we don't know yet, so I'm just going to put in some filler text for now, just some random stuff. And we also want to put something here as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is a quick offer, like a nice little offer. So let's see, use the code. So use the code black brick. There we go. Use the code black brick, and then I think under here I'll put get in capitals, get any course for just $10. Exclamation point. There we go. So we've got use the code black brick, get any course for just $10. This isn't too bad, although I think what we're going to want to do is change this text here so there's more of it, because the bottom line, you don't just want $10 on its own. So let's just have a quick think as to what else we can put. Get any course for just $10. So I think what we're going to do is put get any social media course. Get any social media course for just $10. Fantastic. Okay, so use the code blackbrick, and then it says on the right, blackbricktraining.co.uk. Fantastic. So it does say get any social media course for just $10, but having said that, if you use that code on any of our courses, you can get any course for just $10. So yeah, don't worry, but of course, that doesn't matter. That's not the point. This is just a nice little Twitter post we are designing here, and it looks very nice. I'm very happy with it. I like this font, I like this font, and that font, but I'm just not sure about, oh, let me just undo that real quick, Control Z. I moved the little grey blue bar down there by accident. I'm not sure about this font down here. Maybe if we capitalize it, oh, definitely not. What I might do is take away the capitals on here, as I think it actually looks better without them. I've done it on a few of my designs with and a few without, because it's difficult really to see whether it's better with or without the capitals, but I think it's better without, to be honest. So that's very interesting indeed. Okay, so yeah, I like this. I'm happy with this. Get any social media course for just $10. Exclamation mark. And then we've got use the code blackbrick hidden away down here. And yeah, I'm very happy with this. Although I do like to put the ultimate online courses. So let's just see how much extra space that would take. So the ultimate online courses. Okay, so yeah, I think that would take a little bit too much space up, which is annoying. Take away the ultimate online courses. Yeah, I think that's good. Ultimate online courses. Get any social media course for just $10. Use the code blackbrick, blackbricktraining.co.uk. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with this. I like it. Let me just center this image for the background real quick. There we go. Fantastic. And a quick note, to center your images, all you need to do is just move it around until you can see the purple lines from the top to the bottom in the center, and from the left to the right also in the center. So you can see that it's now a centered image just there. Okay, fantastic. And then just let go and it will save where it is. Awesome. That is our fantastic Twitter post design. Hopefully you'll enjoy this video. Hopefully you learnt a lot, and hopefully your design is just as nice as this. If you like yours and you're happy with it, or want to send it to us, use @blackbricklearn and tweet it to us on Twitter, and we'll happily give you some notes to improve it, or anything really, or give you some points on whether we like it or not. And yeah, so we'll just help you out with it as much as we can. We're just going to rename this really quick to Twitter post design, like so. Enter, and that is now saved. And then just make sure you've saved it by clicking file save. Even if it does automatically save, it is nice to save it as well. Okay, so that is all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, hopefully you learned a lot, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and goodbye.